G'day, Ralph here. Welcome to Geoterrics Outdoors Australia. About a year ago, while I was still in Canberra, I did a review on this varldens 36 litre Ikea backpack that I saw. And in the year that has followed, I've used this backpack fairly extensively as a travel pack and also as an overnighter, and various other members of my family have used it. Tyrone pinched it off me and used it as a gym bag for a number of months, and it was a real struggle to get it back off him. I'm glad that I finally did. And it got me to thinking about the Ikea brand and looking at some of the other backpacks in the range. I finally bought them, and today's review is about the 26 litre varldens, which I got from Ikea a couple of weeks ago. So here we are. This is the varldens 36 litres little brother or sister, let's call it sibling, which is basically a styled like a hybrid, let's call it that, because I don't know how else to describe it. It's basically a messenger bag with a couple of backpack straps, and I thought, you know what, I'll get that, and I've got another couple as well which will be in following videos, just to give the viewers a bit of an insight into the rest of the varldens and the rest of the Ikea range. So it's basically got this little zip top which takes you into the main compartment, which we'll come back to. A couple of handles here that with a little clip that keeps them together. It's got one flat pouch that's deep and goes all the way to the bottom, doesn't go any higher, and it's got two little pouches here which you can get your hand in, so you could get a bit of volume out of that. It's got a drink bottle holder, and having a look at the big drink bottle here, it'll hold that, but it's going to take room out of the main compartment. But that's, hey, at least it's going to hold that, and that's a reasonable feature. It's got a mesh drink holder on this side, or you could use this to possibly clip on, like there's some webbing here that you could clip on some poles or a tripod if you were carrying camera gear or anything else long that you may have. But this webbed pouch also holds a drink bottle, but it again takes space out of the bag. It's got these beautiful backpack straps which are on a 360-degree motion, and they clip off, and like the bigger sibling, these tuck away, and the Velcro patch keeps them out of the way. And then you would use, overplayed my hand there, and you would use these, and you could possibly even sling it over your shoulder. It's not too uncomfortable. It's got another little zip pouch here which would comfortably hold a 17-inch laptop or bigger, or maps or anything else flat. It's a great feature. I'll show you on the inside now. There's some more Ikea backpacks from other reviews. So first noticeable thing is the Ikea livery little pouch at the top there, which is removable via these Velcro straps. So if you didn't like that feature or was getting in the way, you could get rid of it. And there's also a little clip to keep it in position for some reason. there's a couple of flat compartments in the back there. One would possibly take 15 or 16 inch laptop, but the main compartment would definitely take a 17. And a couple of little front pouches there with the usual pen holders, and that's it. It's no frills, doesn't pretend to be something it's not. For going to the markets or popping down to the beach, it'll hold a towel, a lunch, a drink bottle quite comfortably, and a hat, sunglasses, everything would fit in there quite comfortably, or a head of cauliflower, a bag of potatoes and some tomatoes. This is a great little bag, and for the price, which I'll put down there, it's reasonable value. So let's see what it's like in the field. Yeah, actually I'm out at the old farm here and on a bit of a hike. Feels quite comfortable. The straps are okay. It's sitting fairly high on my back. I am missing a waist strap, which this bag doesn't have, and it also doesn't have the sternum strap, so it tends to spread a little bit, but it's not too bad. Actually, I think it's pretty good. Right, so let's have a quick recap and list the pros and cons. Pros is it's Ikea brand and it's very, very good build quality. I've used it on one little hike now, seemed to fit everything in there. Initially I didn't think it would carry a big water bottle, but it does. A couple of pouches here that are useful. Main outside pouch here for maps and bird books or anything like that, and a generous 26 litres capacity. There's this funny little bag at the top here with the zip that you could put. I wouldn't want to put glasses or sunglasses in there unless they're in a case, because I've actually had my glasses scratched terribly by this sort of material. But hey, if you know that, that's fine. It's got enough room for a laptop, a small laptop or a tablet. The backpack straps are well made, just like the 36 litre. Rides quite comfortably on the shoulders. Cons, I think the cons are that you can't get rid of this particular handle system here, which starts to get in the way when it's here or it's there, or you're trying to put as you saw just before, trying to put the backpack straps in its little pouch there. It's a little, I wish it was one or the other, or it had an option to get rid of these and clip these in as well. Ikea, if you're listening or watching, that might be a beautiful little design feature you could include in the next build. But either way, I think that's the only one. So as a score out of 5, I'll give it a 4. Nothing remarkable about it, but there's also nothing wrong with it either. If this is the size bag that you want, the only feature that could be redesigned is this. And there you have it. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, give us a thumbs up. Please leave us a comment. I'd love to hear what you think of this little bag. Share it with like-minded friends, and thanks for watching.